Hey, what's up? It's Roy here. So today I have the Liquid Air Armor case here for the Pixel 6a. Now this case comes in two colors. I have the matte black version, but it also comes in a midnight gray, which for whatever reason right now is just $1 more for some reason. But if you are interested in buying this case after watching this video, I will put my Amazon affiliate link down below. So let's go ahead and take a real quick peek at the actual packaging. So here's the box. I'm not going to really go over it too much. Very simplistic. Looks just like all the other Spigen boxes that I have reviewed. So let's get this tab pulled up and get the case pulled out. All Spigen cases, if you buy them on Amazon, comes in this packaging here. So just kind of giving you the heads up. And here is the case. So pretty nice. So let's go ahead and focus on the inside. So you got that very recognizable kind of spider web pattern that Spigen is known for. You kind of got that cool little insignia inside there. And then, just the basic stuff, Spigen Inc. in Irvine, California, made in South Korea. It does have air cushion technology, so branding right there. But what that means is it's tiny little airbags in each corner that's going to help protect this phone. Even though it's a simple, slim case, it's going to protect that investment because of the technology that Spigen puts in these very thin cases. Got a little bit of flex and movement in it, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and grab the Pixel 6a here. Let's go ahead and put it in. Very simple install, as you can see, and it hugs nicely, just to point that out. And there it is, guys. There is the case installed on the Pixel 6a. So with the Liquid Air Armor case, it's got that very recognizable pattern, right? So it reminds me almost of like a car tire for some reason. I don't know why I've always said that, but it does. So looks pretty good. The bump for the camera bump is a more of a solid piece as far as the material goes, so it doesn't match the top and bottom. It matches more of the side. Well, not really, because there's that grippy pattern, but you get what I'm saying. Obviously, there is a little bit of some raised lips that do go around it, as you can see. So definitely going to get some lens protection with this case. And then moving to the side, you can see that very ridged pattern all up and down this phone case. And that's just going to help with added grip. And we do have a great power button and volume up and down button that are raised, as you can see. And the power button does have some teeth, so I really like that. And then moving to the bottom, we do have some holes there for a lanyard as well. And then going to the bottom here, we do have a nice cutout for the USB-C charging port and the speakers. And then moving to this side here, just that grippy pattern once again. But we do have some Spigen branding, which I will try to get in focus. I don't know why I can't. There we go. Boom. And then just a hole punch for the mic up top. Nothing crazy. Looking at it from the front, you can see we have some great generous lips, guys. So looking at that, you got all the angles here, and the screen is definitely going to be protected. There you go. You can kind of see it there now. Yeah, definitely got some great lip protection around this front screen. And then looking at it from the front, you can see there, very simplistic, very non-crazy, as I like to say with some of these cases. So it's nice. It hugs the case or hugs the phone very nicely. Has that kind of cutout that kind of goes over the actual speaker grill, which they say is going to help amplify the sound a little bit, but you be the judge if you get this case, and report down in the comments if you feel that it does do that. But there it is again. There's the back again. So let's go ahead and do that wobble test real quick. So let's go ahead and put it face down, and there is no shaking going on at all. So no wobbly, shaky mess with this case. And then back down, there is no shaking going on either once again. So definitely a very flat case on the front and back. So we definitely have a great experience there if you are someone that cares about the shakiness, or anti-shakiness, I should say. And then last but not least, let's do that clicky button test. So let's start with the power button first. And volume up and down. All right, extremely tactile, guys. So if you like clicky buttons, it passes with flying colors. So overall, this Liquid Air Armor case is awesome, guys. It's hard to really say anything bad about some of these Spigen cases that I've been reviewing because Spigen just makes great cases, but it feels good. If anything, I would say that it does maybe tend to get a little bit smoother on the back sometimes. But like right now, just holding it in the hand, it does have a nice texture to it. But I've used this case on other phones plenty of times, and that's my only knock, I would say, is that it does tend to, like, if my hands are maybe a little dry or if it's cold outside, this case does tend to get a little slippery for some reason. But if, like right now, I'm in Texas and it's the summertime, obviously it's scorching hot. So my hands tend to be a little more sweaty, and it feels good definitely when you have a little bit of grip or moisture on your hands. No fingerprint issues, obviously, and really no smudge issues. With this material, I've never really noticed smudges before, so that's a plus too. So there you have it, guys. If you want this case, like I said, it's definitely going to be down in the description. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. I'll see you on the next one.